Hello everyone. In this video, now we are going to see about Indian financial system. So here, what is finance? Finance is perceived as a term money in economics, but we cannot say finance is equal to money. Finance is a source of providing funds for a particular activity. Here we see finance is defined as the management of money and includes activities like investing, borrowing, lending, budgeting, saving and forecasting. Finance is a broader term. There are many different career paths and jobs that perform a wide range of finance activities. Finance plays a crucial role in operation of any business activity also. There are three types of finance. One is personal finance, corporate finance and public and government finance. So, there are some financial activities, for example, lending, borrowing and investing are the financial activities. Let me see in detail about Indian financial system. There are people of surplus of funds. We may call them as suppliers of fund, mainly households. And also there are some people that they are in expecting and they are in need of money. They are in need of money. We may say as seekers of funds, mainly business firms and government. So we can say this Indian financial system is acting as an intermediate. The financial system functions are acting as an intermediate between the people who is having surplus of funds to the people who are in need of funds. We can say the Indian financial system facilitates a flow of fund from the place of surplus to the place of deficit. The economic development of a country depends on the well-organized financial system, and also it is a broader term which brings under its fold the financial markets and financial institutions which support the Indian financial system. The major assets traded in the financial system are money and monetary assets. The main responsibility of the financial system is to mobilize the savings in the form of money and monetary asset and invest them to the productive ventures. An efficient functioning of financial system facilitates the free flow of funds to more productive activities and thus promotes the investments. Thus, the financial system provides the intermediation between the savers and the investors and promoters faster for economic development. Financial system is a system that allows the exchange of funds between lenders, investors and borrowers. You can say the financial system operates at national, global and firm specific levels. It aims at establishing smooth linkage between depositors and investors. And also, it includes all the financial institutions and markets involved in moving savings from the savers to borrowers and transferring, sharing and insurancing the risk. Next, the objectives of financial system are: it creates a link between savers and the investor, and also allocation of risk and reduction of risk. And the next point, information to investors and production of goods and services. We can say the financial system provides a linkage between depositors and the investors. And also it encourages both the savings and the investments, and also it facilitates the expansion of financial market. It promotes efficient allocation of financial resources. It influences both the quantity and economic development. So, we can finally say the financial system is a system that aims at establishing and a smooth linkage between the depositors and the investors, and it facilitates the flow of fund from the area of surplus to the area of deficit. It comprises of financial institutions, financial services and all the financial components. And also, they are correctly related with each others, and this financial system promotes the savings and channel them to their most effective uses. Here comes the 4 F's of financial system. Structure of Indian financial system. The one is financial market, financial services, financial institutions and financial intermediaries. Let me see these 4 F's in detail in the coming videos.